Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table. I'm here with my buddy Colin.
What's up,
you guys are familiar with Colin. He was with me during our shrimp escapade. Escapade? Is that the word? Escapade?
Works for me.
Sounds good.
Sure.
The shrimp, the dry ice bombs, the tasing.
I got tased.
That was fun. That was fun. Don't make money on that video, but it was worth it. 8,000 of you guys have seen that. So, today's video is basically going to be on this thing right here. This baton that I did review in another video. If you haven't checked that video out, boom, it'll be somewhere up there. Click on that, check that out before you watch this video, because that's the review. It's got a link to the product in the description and everything. You definitely want to see that video first. But this $7 cheap budget baton has been tested on water bottles. But so many people went in those comments and said, Joey, how am I supposed to know if it works? You smacked a water bottle. Anyone can smack a water bottle. You need to hit a coconut, because a coconut is harder than a person's head. That is what they said. I don't necessarily know if I agree with it. It might be. But the thing is, I think personally that it will bust open a coconut. If I'm wrong, I will admit it. I am a man. I know when to admit when I'm wrong. But if I am right and it destroys that coconut,
or that one,
I'm gonna rub it in your faces. I'm sorry, I'm a man when I'm wrong, but I'm a child when I'm right. And that's unfortunate, because I'm right all the time. But that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna get cool slow motion shots, cool angles. It's gonna be great. We're gonna smash up watermelons, cantaloupes, pineapples, coconuts, even cans of soda. Give you guys like the whole experience of what this baton right here for $7 can do. And it'll definitely give them an idea of what kind of self-defense they can get from it.
for sure.
Definitely. So let's get started. Alright guys, we've got it here. We're going to start off small with this little can of soda. I don't think it'll last. Do you think it'll last, Colin?
No.
Nope. Let's give it a go. Nice. Absolutely no bending going on with this. It took that thing like a champ. I like it. Let's check out the damage. As you can see, the can took in a lot of that impact. It absorbed a lot of it though, because water is incompressible for the most part. Let's give it a go with another can. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's a clothing change.
Oh, yes. Oh, guys. Come on now. Come on now. This is a can of soda. And it offered no resistance. This thing literally went right through it. It didn't even slow down at all. So if you're going to be hitting something you want to puncture, definitely use the tip of this thing, because it'll just go right through. Alright, let's move on to some bigger fruit. Alright guys. Pineapple. Boom, right here. We're going to smash this thing up. I'm not expecting it to do anything too crazy. Like, it's not going to explode. This isn't a knife. It's not going to slice through. But let's just see what kind of damage we can do. All right. 3, 2, 1. That felt pretty good. That felt pretty good. It went about halfway through it. You could see the slice went about halfway through it. Let me give it another go. Let me hit it harder this time. Oh, yeah. That's some pineapple chunks right there. Oh, guys, look what we just did to that pineapple. Colin, give it a taste. Tell me what that's like, bud. 2 hits with this thing. Got a pineapple wide open.
That's good.
And there's no warpage going on so far. So it's a good start, guys, for sure. It's good pineapple?
That's good pineapple. Cut that up and eat it later.
We'll eat that later. No waste over here on Over the Table. Besides when Colin's eating shrimp.
Make the football. Hey.
All right, guys, we got a cantaloupe here.
Cantaloupe or a honey?
It's one of the two. I think I'm just gonna hit it straight down, right?
I mean, like burrowing animal. Go for it.
Well, crap.
Dang!
It just went right inside of it. All right, now let's set it up. Give it another hit just like we did with the pineapple.
I got you.
I feel like I'm racking a rack on the pool table.
Don't hit my finger.
Gotcha. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that's deadly right there. That's doing that to a freaking.
Think of a stomach.
I think it is a cantaloupe. Honeydew's green, right?
Yeah.
Guys, no effort at all. No effort at all. Oh yeah, I figured out how you use this. You just beat repeatedly and you can get this thing open. How's that, Colin? It's good? I got cantaloupe on my nipple. All right, toss that to the side. Let's move on. How is it? It's good? Good lope? I like it. All right.
Malone or
Malone. Let's go watermelon. I am going to beat this watermelon until I can't beat this watermelon anymore. This one might be a little more difficult.
I agree.
Might be. Might offer a little bit more resistance. 3, 2, 1. What? Just be careful. Oh yeah. What a split, Colin. What a split. Oh yeah. Eat that chunk. Eat it. One bite. Do it. Yes. Yes. Oh man. Oh. How's that how's that watermelon, Colin?
That's good watermelon.
Oh, look,
that's actually a really good
this
watermelon.
thing was beaten to death. Look at the chunks that came off of that. Oh, that's insane, guys. All right, Colin, move him to the side. Now it's the ultimate test, the one none of you guys think is gonna work, but I think it's got a good chance. We're gonna hit a coconut, and we're gonna hit a coconut hard. Boom. I don't know, Colin. I don't know.
I don't know about this at all.
3. Here we go. 3, 2. The coconut, the one they said it wouldn't work for. In 3, 2, 1. I'll tell you what, Colin. That looks like
That's a crack.
That looks like a split
That's a
to me.
crack.
Now let's go, instead of 80% power, we're going 100% power. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Well, you know what? You know what? He drank that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's actually really good. Look at all these flies trying to come over here and take our food. Look at the carnage we caused with that self-defense baton. Yes, it did die at the end of its life, but it did bust up that coconut, as you can see. So, Colin's the judge. Was I right?
You were right. For $7, that was pretty good.
For $7, able to crush a coconut, which is what they say is as hard as a skull. In self-defense situations, this thing will definitely hold up for you, and you shouldn't ever have a problem with it, for sure. I mean, I just mutilated all these fruits, and then the coconut. If I started with the coconut, it might have just broken the coconut and stayed together. But it took so much abuse, so much resistance from these really firm fruits, and it just kept fighting. It really did. So I'd say it's a pretty good product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You were asking for it, and I gave it to you. Hopefully you have a really good idea of what that baton can do. I definitely still recommend it for $7. Definitely worth getting for self-defense situations. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up because I just destroyed all this fruit for you guys. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. It'll be somewhere down here. If you want to check out the last video, it's right up there. And if you want to check out the playlist with lots more future videos, it's up there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.